2022 Infiniti q60 redesign, price, colors. In the latest talk, it was proved the entire world must count on the production of more Infiniti vehicle versions. And this includes the 2022 Infiniti q60, which will be remodeled to match the requirements of the modern age group. The exterior along with the interior will probably be revamped, seeing that can the scientific functions. Total, this design will probably be considered a high-end sedan that might be a lot better than the prior editions. This particular well-defined and trendy design can have the after offer you. 2022 Infiniti q60 redesign. Exterior and interior design. Typically the 2022 Infiniti q60 will show up daring, stylish, and different. Many additional functions will likely be remodeled to produce this achievable, one of them the top fascia. This lighting fixture will operate on the actual directed modern technology that permits for far better highway exposure, particularly during the night. The actual headlamps are going to be redesigned to ensure they more attractive. A honeycomb pattern will probably be viewed about the restyled front side grille, of which can also get any Infiniti emblem at its heart. The fender will include reshaped airflow air vents also. In the back, a design will always be mostly unaltered if compared to the previous release. There, nevertheless, might be a little spoiler, as well as the tail lights are going to be increased with the guided technological innovation. From both sides towards the bottom, you will have two exhaust piping. Within this product, you will find very much type and purposeful consumption of typically the cabin room. 5 car seats will likely be repaired with the highest knowledge to provide you with travelers with ideal assistance and luxury. They are padded with the best resources achievable. Consumer safety is going to be confident throughout the installment for extremely innovative capabilities that happen to be evaluated and fulfill the standard requirements. Any infotainment process will likely be upgraded to complement the needs and wants of your recent human population that is certainly technologies focused. On the list of functions incorporated will certainly be a highly effective music system, wireless Bluetooth and USB 2.0 connections, air conditioner, a feeling display screen, amongst lots of others. The design will hence become an excellent get for anyone from assorted age brackets. It will be appropriate for the medium-sized households who want a mix of substantial performance in addition to deluxe. 2022 Infiniti q60 engine. Within the hood on this deluxe sedan is a 3-liter V6 car engine that may be capable to develop 330 HP. The second engine alternative that can be acquired is the 3.7-liter V6 design that may use an overall strength creation ability of 400 horsepower. Within both the choices, the energy will likely be transferred towards the rims employing a 7-rate products container. The conventional driving car function is the back tire push, but a complete tire push version will likely be non-obligatory. 2022 Infiniti q60 release date and price. The day of discharge to the 2022 Infiniti q60 remains to be unfamiliar, but there are dependable signs the design will probably be unveiled throughout next season. Each of the fascinated people should hence keep an eye out for just about any further information. The fee for the retail store is additionally but to get formally explained from the producer. Judging by the predominant marketplace charges, the price will likely be all around $40,000.